They tell you never see Lisa Anna in a parliament behave and a disrespect people so. And I be disrespectful and I be combative. Nothing is wrong with you being nothing wrong with she advocate for your people and not be shy and and assert herself, But you must have the decorum, man. You must have respect. And she have and that girl Nickiesha, she not have no respect for. She look like she have like respect for Babsy, but if me and Babsy, me don't want her respect because if you not respect all of the women in the parliament, me don't want to respect from you. If I'm me like Babsy, without me tell her with all due respect, me not really want no respect from you. Like you tell Lisa did this bossy in the parliament. Me sure that there's context to that. Me sure Lisa never get up and does this people so. The both of them must have a confrontation and words were said. Lisa and I would refuse to believe Lisa and I deliberately come to parliament and does this way. You have to tell me how that go. You have to tell me how that go. Where Khadija there? Khadija tell me how that go. Cause next week she busy. Me refuse to believe that Lisa and I just come into the parliament and this man so.
There was a little beef between Babsy and Lisa when she get Minister of Culture and she change and fire and spend how much $1 million and all these things. So Babsy on the opposition side spoke about it. So it seemed like how you see Nickiesha come and say da like a law. After she's do, I think them never keep one year that Babsy have in place. And like them say,
they never have no money to keep. They never have any money. Yeah, if you keep Gala. I think I first heard yes. The DP say, Madam Speaker, Lisa was not nasty. But me know Lisa, she was not nasty. Exchange words, but she was never nasty. Yeah.
Because of what she did, but she never came into parliament and just outright disrespect people like
Nickiesha go on.
Do it.
Remember, so we tell you already, Fab. And 100 pound it out. When Nickiesha stand up, come and watch it. Because even though people tell me about it, me say, me go look pan it. When Nickiesha stand up for talking a plank, I patway, and the speaker stop her, and she had in a back and forth with the government bench and everything, When Nickiesha did respond to what the speaker did, Nickiesha was reading it from her tablet right there. So obviously she knew the speaker would react and she had her plan.
She popped up on the timeline this morning, but we never really look what she said.
She had her response plan. She knew the speaker was going to react to her doing that, and she wrote down what she was going to say. Isn't that provoking? Exactly, Joe. What are you, a child? Are you in primary school? You are deliberately go to your way to be seen. I think our behavior is so juvenile because you know something wrong. You are adult. Why are you going to your way to be disrespectful? Because she classless, comrades. And I don't know. Lisa Anna never perfect. She had back and forth with people in the parliament. But me never see Lisa Anna get up and be disrespectful. Just go in the parliament and start to disrespect the speaker and start to not referring to the speaker. Lisa Anna never do that before.
Munchie, you want to have Petal in a box, Adol. Petal no go all night last night.
Make she stay in a box, my love.
That's why she in a trouble.
What happened?
Make she stay in a box. Anybody don't like her in a box, take her out.
You're up.
Bill Jamaica Rock. Who did she violated? Bill Jamaica Rock. Why did the speaker stop her? If she not do nothing wrong and she never violate no rules, why did the speaker stop her? Answer that.
Anna come about here. Allow me to talk. You hear?
If she not do nothing wrong, Petal, why did the speaker stop her? Because I promise you, comrade, it is not the intention of the speaker to forward for Nickiesha, but she gonna do her work.
I think the article when me say, Munchie say Nickiesha Burchell disrupt parliamentary something.
Morning.
Morning. We never even know you're still there.
She think it's cute. She think we should
cute. Telling me morning.
Okay, sister girl. I don't know. The people them were saying all this man and the one Ingram come this man in plank, but it was
But it
like
was
a
a ploy. It was a
light-hearted
ploy.
moment.
It was a ploy, and
Anything,
By
anything.
PNP no light moment. PNP no light moment. Where I get that from? PNP light moment. Everything PNP
Yeah,
do
you
a
see
plan.
you see where Bill Jamaica Rock say she violated the standing orders. Yes, but I agree. But who cares? I know you guys don't care about rules and rules
Because them not no
We
respect.
know that.
Them not no respect for the speaker.
We know the
Them
no
not no
respect. We
for
know the
the
no
speaker.
respect. Exactly.
yeah, respect to them country.
We know the no
Yeah.
respect. That's why Soji say the Mark Wallen bring back tribalism and divisiveness back in the
Yes,
politics.
of course.
That's why Soji say that because we know you hear you say who cares. You hear that? Who cares?
Mark Golden a behave like mini Donald Trump, Munche.
Exactly.
No,
When-
sir, me no bother why you up there with that, you know.
When
Mark
Andrew
Golden a
Holness,
behave like Mark Golden.
when Andrew Holness was the minister, was the opposition leader, Adisha was very, 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 very strong against Portia Simpson. But Adisha never disrespected Portia.
Disrespect her,
Never.
no,
In fact, Portia strong and he asked for answer. What the PNP do? Soji change the standing order because Portia couldn't manage Hardly. And Hardly never called Portia out her name. Hardly never disrespect her. Hardly never disrespect the P. He was strong and asking her a strong question that she could not answer. And the PNP changed the standing order to give Portia retire from politics and answer some Hardly question. All right, you're Bill Jamaica right now. You're telling me that the parliamentarians cannot speak the mother tongue in the parliament. Bill Jamaica Rock, I am not telling you, the parliamentarians put that rule in place. And ever me and Plank and Soji and Petal and
It's
Fab
there.
step and TikTok and put
Section
the rules there,
6.
And them, I who
Yes,
put them in.
Standing order 6.
I who put them in a standing order. And me and Plank and Knox and Soji step on TikTok and I run remote and I say part one of it talk in a parliament, the parliamentarians did it.
All of a
So if
sudden
you
it's
want to
okay to
change
break
it,
rule, Bill Jamaica.
If they want to
All of a
change
sudden
it,
it's okay to
Soji,
be rule.
change it.
All of a sudden,
rules and regulation
no
in
rule,
place.
no stand against PNP. No rule, no stand for PNP. That me realize PNP is above the rule.
Okay.
PNP is above the law. That's why they couldn't fix crime.
Exactly.
PNP is above the law.
Because they
That's
make
why they couldn't do
excuses for
nothing about
everything.
crime. Everything they
Nobody
find
is saying
excuse
that
for.
Patwa not to talk in a parliament. We are saying that if the parliamentarian want to talk Patwa in parliament, amend the standing order.
No,
But when
Munche,
Mr. Warmington do
Plan.
the PNP, then cost.
Plank, well on a plank. But let me tell you this now. You're the drama now. What we're gonna say. You know that a lot of Jamaican peaks Patwa and the next one can't understand it. I wonder if you don't know that. I bet you know say some Jamaican use Patwa and we don't understand it. What they say. Different across the island, depends on where they come from. We don't know that. So if we come and dash out Patwa broad base, a lot of people won't understand same way. I'm telling you. A lot of people won't understand. Whether we like it or not, it is what it is.
Nickiesha just want
A lot of time.
or come up Butu. You got run cock up say you want an MP and you get MP position. And you read the standing orders. Me I go song and read the standing orders and tell me off. Little me I go read it because everything
Yeah, there.
Petal, what can you learn if you go into a place and you don't learn the rules first before you start? What benefit can you give if you don't understand the culture before you go into the culture? How can you be improved? How can you improve yourself? How can you improve yourself? Then that is it, man. Them like a chaos, them rule and a chaos PNP like, So everything pass over your head when the place in a chaos. That is their business. You understand me? That is their business.
You realize, Soji, when Parliament upscore, nothing no pass, no bill no pass when them
Exactly.
violate,
Yes.
When them violate Parliament, them days nothing no get done.
Show off the whole thing. Show off
bully
everything.
them.
I bully them a bully Petal for real.
And because me hear all the one do up boy, but I left it to Nickiesha when he talk about
But
Mrs. Oneless.
one thing me I tell them, me I go, Madam Speaker, not afraid of none of them,
You see the man make video about me every day, me never look for them.
I know you me attack Munchi.
Petal.
Me attack Miss Wallace. Miss Wallace
I'm
not
here the
afraid of
Madam
none of
Speaker.
them.
I'm here the Madam
She
Speaker.
no
Hold on
business.
there.
None of them no business.
Me
None of
get
them no business. The two Madam
rest.
Speaker no business.
Me rest
The
Bill
two Madam
Jamrock.
Speaker no business.
Bill Jamrock and me am shit.
No, before you arrest him, Petal, let me tell him something, because me see him put in the comment section say it is not the standing order that says that only the Queen English is the Constitution. So you know me I go to the Constitution no Petal, because you know when the PNP then come over here in a Petal.
Yeah,
Me and them,
just go right pan when you scroll to when you open it up a number 6. Point number 6.
No man, no, he said that is not the standing order that says that we can only speak in the Queen English is the Constitution. So me go feed me say what section of the Jamaican Constitution state that only the Queen English must be spoken in the Parliament? JIS. There is no specific section in the Constitution of Jamaica that explicitly states only the Queen English must be spoken in Parliament. The requirement to use standard English is not a constitutional provision, but rather a procedural rule found in the standing order of the Parliament representative and the Senate, which governs the conduct of business in the Parliament.
They think we are done, Smunchy. They think we are done. Them just that's how them go and chat. They don't forget say internet available.
You're done with Bill Jamrock now?
The problem with the PNP them in a Petal. Only
Bill Jamrock and
Mark
Niam
alone then listen to.
You are muted, Petal. Make internet in
Internet and a
then
PNP friend.
listen to.
Munchi, internet and a PNP friend.
Okay.
Internet and a PNP friend. Them not realize. Internet, them feel left internet business.
There is
Them fi come out for
nothing in the
internet.
Constitution where say that. So if the parliamentarian want to speak patois, they can go and amend the standing order and speak them patois. Them don't want to keep it. And them keep it there. So once they keep it there, follow it.
Everything they want, every rule they want relax.
All of a sudden, everything for change.
Everything for change.
Munchi
All
and Petal.
rules must relax.
All of a sudden, everything for change to fit them. Everything in opposition. Everything for change to fit them in opposition. And them around the country.
Because they're disrespectful of that.
Naira forever. Naira forever.
Exactly.
They're not changing nothing.
Everything, every
Naira
time when the speaker try to enforce the rule, them soji, the PNP come with another excuse. Just follow the goddamn rule.
Rules. Naira forever.
Just
fool.
follow the goddamn
PNP,
rule. That's
don't
all
tell me
I have to do. Every week we don't come with another reason to come with no foolishness attack about the speaker this and the speaker that. That is why the speaker draft for the book and tell her which one that is standing order session of his speak the patois.
Distraction. When they come with distraction, we can't get no pass.
But colonial rule. Only alone PNP can talk about colonial rule. Only people like Uno when I read nothing alone. We know that the standing order can be amended because they amended for portion of 2015 Soji when Portia couldn't take the heat from Hardley. Them amended.
Madam Speaker, they have a colonial master. What is their problem?
Thank you.
They have a colonial master.
The colonial master is their leader.
So what about that about? It's only colonial rule when it suits them. Colonial rule when it suits
It's every
them.
black the shit house.
you don't have time for them. No, you don't have time for them.
That get mute, man. That will stay over. That will
He
stay.
does black the shit house.
No, man. The dog do the sit down and listen and can't say a word.
Everything them. You're right, Fab. Them are complain about the maize. I know them are complain about patois. And when we call Mark Golin for the constitutional reform, Mark Golin say nah, move a muscle until we got the CCJ. So what do I talk about?
We get rid of the colonial rules and so now move a muscle.
And they want all of them things out, but they want slung in there with them British.
Them British. Holding a muscle to get rid of these colonial rules. And come now to tell me about colonial rules.
Exactly. But why Patois can't speak?
Why? Why say sit down with their slave master? That if you say
Right. We not fall for it, comrade. We no can't trick we over here, so. We know we are talk about. We no can't trick we. If when the PNP in opposition, then don't want to follow the standing order. When they in a government, it was no problem. Matter of fact, they quickly amended for Sister P. But all of a sudden, now we have a big problem with you. And me ask the comrade, them, Petal, a very easy question. Me ask the comrade, when was the standing order made? No, not that. Me ask them. Since Juliet became the speaker, did she amend the standing order to
that has thing not touch but
to suit she and our prime minister and our husband? Can I say she up there protect her husband? Which section she use and protect her husband? Which section she amend so she could protect her husband?
What wrong if she protect her husband? What
But
wrong?
which section she use and protect her husband plan?
No,
Because she not amend nothing. The standing order not amend since Mrs. Owens are the speaker. So everything we see she read from the book, she get it when she became the speaker. She got that in the book. She not change nothing. So all of a sudden the PNP them talk about how she use it to protect her husband. I can't. You're wrong. You're right to mute them, Petal. Me then galang over so. You know want them over here so. Go on over so. No galang over so, man. Go on over Ball and over Vice of the Nation, over Alvaro. Because then the idiot they want to listen to.
We see it is a clear attempt to be disrespectful to the Speaker of the House and to bring down the country by these PMPs that is elected in our parliament. Because even last week, when Wami get up and talk to Philip Palwell, not a soul utter next word.
Exactly.
Not a soul utter a next word, because Wami say, Philip, you know better. You're here for a long time. You understand? And when Fitz Jackson tried to defend him said, shut your mouth because you don't know better. And not a next soul say a next thing. Okay. You understand? So it is a deliberate attempt by this little frownsy look stink girl. Nickiesha looks stink from afar.
No, we're not forgot there.
You understand? This little frowns the girl like she in any class.
I understand enough of it. When them do this, the things them take longer to pass. Look when Brown
yes,
touch
Plank,
the
we
mace.
know that.
Look when she touch the thing. Look how long. Me drop asleep left Parliament, brother.
They understand. Look how long we are live with them a colonial rule. We live with them for
according
18
to them,
years, and from Michael Manley days come PJ Patterson days come, we are asked, we change, and Mark say now move a muscle now. When we just came in, them say it's time because it's a long time. And we are go round, and how much meat now waste of time. And
nah, move a muscle because I know them are get it fast, Fabi. Them now move a muscle because I know them are get it fast.
Yes, but everything now them run to come and take out all the mace are colonial and rubbish, and now she come to talk about the dialect a colonial who self she speak English in a parliament. She don't read and try to learn. She just come and shake up her body like say she work with battery.
Like she have worm.
Or she have worm.
Yeah, like she have worm.
What makes she
have worm? Yeah, 2 backla in our water, man.
Yeah, exactly. She want 2 backla zentel.
Yeah, 2 backla in our water.
You know, say the thing I got exposed and you know for weird come a parliament. Every minute you are all on it. Give your speech every minute you are all on your clothes because you know that is every minute she
hold on the front of her shirt for truth and have her and fix her shirt. I don't know when she dress her shirt
and you know
come a parliament she can't.
You get up to speak and you know that is not the appropriate way to do it. Morning.
Me watch her for true. Me just don't watch her speech. She keep her hand at the front of her shirt for true. Every minute she have her hand between the button and the bottom part. I smooth it down. Me say look on her before she just dress appropriate and done. And nothing wrong with her suit, but maybe her jacket, front part of her jacket must have too tight. Yeah, she so DP, she so ask for the amendment change so woman can wear sleeveless and tights coming to parliament. She so ask for wear tights coming, cycle shorts and marina or spaghetti strap coming to Parliament.
That car we're going to hospital.
But she not really business. She take Parliament for a joke, you know. See, she take Parliament for a joke.
Parliament is that what Ingram say? A ploy. It's a ploy, not a trap. Ploy and a trap. Mr. Son, let's fall for the trap.
Yeah. More fall for trap. You think that Mrs. Onis, I gave them a play no petal, but you know what, Miss Onis, I govern, she a govern. I rule, I speak, she a the lead and she a lead.
She just drop back in her chair and tell look at dirty girl, say, listen, you see, any you do it again, me I go cut you, and you not get back the time, you take away your time. That she tell her.
She thinks it was a trap to see if Onis a go react. But she should have known that she never even need to give me credit because Miss Wallace read that the standing order book there from back to front and she go enforce it. She go enforce it because the Jamaica Labour Party is the party of rules and law from ever since. That's why we bring down crime, and that is why when Adley Shaw, when in 2007, Adley Shaw said, the little account where the PNP have everywhere. When they have this phone here, they have this phone here, so this money earmark for this money earmark. Adley Shaw said, come with all of the money then, please. And told him in a one pattern, say nothing, only one boss at a time. There's no way a government must in a power. And the PNP run agency them have access to check and spend money behind government back. Then the Bruce, you know, even don't a petrol jam there. When Bruce upper Parliament has struggle to pass budget to take your Jamaican people. Petrol jam account full of money where the petrol jam boss them have take much big raise and perks and travel and this and that and consolidated for up the drive.
You know, so petrol jam one of the biggest pain. Petrol jam one of the biggest pain company in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Even when you get contract.
They have a separate account with
it. Yeah, even when you get contract. Even when you get contract at petrol jam, you know. Because I did 2 projects at Petrojam when I was working with KIC. And the money never normal.
Because they have money plank. They have money.
Yeah.
And the essential government never have access to the money. Or the CEO and the signing officer or whatever. And that is why yesterday we go over CMU plank and the building. People go over there know over the car. The building at the front, but the Petra, Carib, whatever building. And that the PNP when they in a power, you know, then take the money and then build one like a fart and then build it for million and then thief up the money and then put name on it. That building out of CMU mark the Petra, Carib, whatever building. And the money where the government supposed to see if you pay back the debt for the island they might get from Venezuela, you know. They got the PNP thief up the money. And then make one little fart out of CMU and talk about the Petra Carib building. Anytime PNP in a power, they thief up every single dollar. And that is why Adley Shaw said to them, say, come with all the little small account when you have bought the place. Don't have Petra jam, don't have banana board, don't have coffee board, everywhere, all across the government agency, peak, the whole of them used to collect them when the money have it in a separate account, all over the place. The Adley Shaw say, come. And showed in a one part I say, only one boss at a time. One person supposed to know the money you're going to country and the Prime Minister. Prime Minister can't know how much money in an account and I'm my Prime Minister. That's why the PNP hate the Jamaica Labour Party, you know. That's why PNP hate the Jamaica Labour Party because we close down all the road development fund when they claim to say they have. When they claim to say they have a road maintenance fund. The PNP never maintain no road. PNP never maintain no road, you know. All of the money when they have
public works. When they name public works.
I never know what they name, but they set up one fund, one tax where they must have put pan gas and say the money they're going to want account for fix road. The PNP never fix the road. That PNP thief, they need a thief that up. Talk about fix road. You see all TEF and Chase and then something there. PNP set up all of them there now, and every one of them, they have their own account and their own spending officer. Different from the ministry. Different from all of them. TEF, USD, all of them places where the PNP ever talk about PJ, the DJ. Yes, because it was a way to thief money. It was a way for Omar Davis and PJ do their own thing behind the people, back of the Jamaican people. So when they earmark money plank in the tourism enhancement fund, that different from the consolidated fund. So if they want something to do, like one minister want one new car, or one minister want the office to renovate, they go to the TEF fund and then do it. And then have to come to Parliament.
Before Omar Davis him dead, them have to go fling be a green banana and bed.
Then have to come to Parliament. When they want money to run for the politics work and for thief up for the PNP work, then have to come to Parliament and just go to the tourism enhancement fund and then thief it. That is why Adisha say, come, and take every one of the money. They must say, look here, they must under ministry oversight. No government agency not supposed to spend the tax dollar where the government don't know about. And when Dr. Clark come in, he finish wrap up everything in a swaddling cloth and put bow on it. And that is where here the Auditor General, I don't know if you read the Auditor General report, and the Auditor General say, ODPEM supposed to have an account, then disaster, whatever account, when it's supposed to have the money in and they don't see no account. They don't see no account because it is the policy of the Jamaica Labour Party that we're not putting no money on a private account with the signatory to the account to spend taxpayer money behind government back. These are deliberate strategy. We Prime Minister does not talk about. It's a deliberate strategy plan. We don't hear the Auditor General talk about the money. They don't see the account where the money in and the money is supposed to in the account. It's not supposed to in a central bank. Government does ignore she. Because we not put no money in no separate account where the finance minister don't know about. It must have crazy. It must have mad. No man when nobody no vote for, not supposed to have the authorization to spend millions of tax dollar where the people of Jamaica don't know about. That's not supposed to happen. But PNP put that in place because that was a way for them to thief with money. That is where say the Auditor General come talk about she not see no account. Under the ODPE, whatever act where they're supposed to have their separate account. They can't have it in
the
account. The
ODPE not feel like disaster.
Yeah, but she has said they're supposed to have all of the money where they collect for ODPEM. It must be in a separate account and different from when the Ministry of Finance have it. It was a separate. Nothing wrong with that in a plank. But because we know so when the money miss not 100 them go cost, government say make the money stay one place so we can watch it. Because we don't know who to trust. So
Under Nara.
This I want to know when you comrade competitor. Uno done bad, you know. What we done with big me give you 3 minutes now. What we done with now big business? Type in the comment section. What we done with? What we tell with a man and educate with a man? You and Angela want to educate me, cause some me don't know, sometimes I need guidance. Educate me, please. Educate me before Petal get Madam Black, Educate me quick. Which section may I get wrong so I can fix it? And Angela, what you mean by me bias? Sorry, me attack. And me attack.
I must keep the honor down the man. Keep the anger down the man.
Yeah. So tell me big business. Tell me what me done with. Why tell me, Sandra, because I don't want Petal get mad and wrap him up before and tell me. You guys are a set of pirate to you got gimmicks to come with. Okay.
After we're on PNP.
Politics.
After we're on PNP.
Me think politics in matter about plan, about
I
pirates.
wrong platform, you're the pan,
You
man.
know, politics come with.
You need to go by PNP, them, man. Over there, so pirate, then there.
Me think
the Long John
politics in
Silver and Christopher Columbus and all of them.
I think of politics in combo. You come for cost people. I cost in your combo. I cost in combo. Alright, because me don't say when me say wrong. All I am saying is that when the Auditor General audit the day-to-day running of ODPEM, Auditor General come back and tell the country say the money is secure and the government have the money. We don't need not more than that. We don't need not more than that. I bet if the Auditor General come back plan can say how much $1 billion unaccounted for and the government don't know where the money there.
They would have asked Andrew where money there.
Okay. Me prefer the money in the account and not spend yet plan than done half and we don't see nothing go on. Make it stay in the account.
Right.
It say right there.
Nobody can question the boss ask you when the money there. Money is right
Exactly.
there.
Coming by the liar PNP, then that say the money done, you know. So know that the Auditor General can tell them say money not touch it, they don't know what to do with themselves. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. We prefer that, fam. We prefer that. We prefer that. We prefer the money and spend slower than the money miss. So make it spend slower.
We can show for one where PNP one there. I know they can't find 4 million they find out after them 1 month.
I mean, I don't know what they do with it because not one comrade no come forward and say they get a house
Then
or they get a case of water. They
remember we
get
don't talk about it,
fertilizer
half 50% of what you donate go to them politics fund there. Then take 4 million. If they get 8 million, 4 million, no must 8 million then take 4 and give them people them 4.
Exactly. And the 4 when they say they give out soji. And the 4 million when they say they give out soji, we know you're a soul clap and say then get help. We don't know.
We have to send Munchie. We have to send Munchie go look for sister cartoon, because I look like cartoon get peace.
Look like he can get a house, because a long time I see her run up and down.
Then if you cost human, send them about stuff on.
But I know our plan. I don't know if we realize this soji. Because remember we don't work with no government, you know, so we can't chat in shit to one chat. You know, say Andrew tie them out and frustrate them. Soji. You remember in October, November, the Prime Minister said he might go implement one policy where he give the things them to the shop and the people will get them from the shop. You know, so that no policy there. Prime Minister tie them. Boy, I say my Prime Minister are the best.
The voucher. They'll give them a voucher. The voucher for them to go out the shop.
They never want it. Okay. Yes, that's true. This man says somebody have them things what I do when I attend.
But me did it for a live last night and hear somebody I said, this man must give the parish council how much money for build some house to some people. And them not pay the contractor. I asked from a bill. Some Munchie, then there's man in pay house for bill for them. For like ask from house them Munchie.
Of course, the BS put down put down the house them pan.
Oh.
And sewage. And then do none of the above plank, then thief up the money. Then yam up the money, Yvette. Then yam up the PNP, Municipal Corporation and Westmoreland. Thief up the money where there's man give them for build the foundation.
And then come across government.
Yes.
Then they come across government. The Westmoreland people they are talking.
That is what we done with them plan. That's what I tell you say Labour Party done with Westmoreland people. When they stay down there when they vote with them vote. Father don't care they want to take me because you know me no business.
When PJ they down there when the PJ say what do you want? Who they say? They want PJ.
Westmoreland Municipal Corporation get the money plan $70 million to build 20, 25 or 20 BS to put in sewage and to put in infrastructure. People get water and light, and the PNP-led municipal corporation thief up every red cent, and the PNP people down there Cosanjo.